Of course, it's Monday morning. I've got about 6 cars to deal with, but I look outside and the Mercedes is looking very low on the front, especially on the passenger side. So presumably the spring has cracked. I can't really get inside, but I've ordered one already, and this will be a video of me trying to replace the spring. So find the jacking point, squeeze the jack underneath, and as expected, we're missing a coil at least from the bottom of the spring. Doesn't appear to have cracked at the top, but yeah, quite easy to see. Absolutely flying start. It's like someone's epoxied the locking wheel nut in. So this is a normal wheel nut. Oh no, that's bad enough. That's a normal one. This is the locker. Jeez. So good job. Good job it's got a decent locking wheel nut key, because otherwise I'd snap a lot of them. So I don't know who's done these. Whoever's done the tyres last, probably. I was not expecting that. I took the wheel off and I thought, oh, it's comforting that it looks like the strut's been replaced, and here we have a bolt completely missing. And this car was MOT'd shortly before I bought it as well. I'm lost for words. So anyway, I have to disconnect the bottom of the strut. Better not be another bolt missing. Just the top one. That is absolutely disgusting. Unbelievable. And then the top mount, which fortunately isn't difficult to get to. So remove the nut for the drop link. If you're lucky, you'll be able to get it off pretty easy. Obviously this has been worked on recently, which we're all too aware of now, so that should be coming off pretty easy. Clearly that wasn't very tight or completely missed. So now I need to get the cables out of the way. So that's the ABS sensor. We can just leave that cable out of the way, and we've got the cable going to the adjustable suspension. Should probably just disconnect this clip completely. So rather worryingly, these bolts weren't tight either. So I'm going to have a look through history and see if I can find out which garage did this, because someone needs to know that whoever did this job didn't tighten anything, and this potentially could have killed someone. Absolutely disgusting. But you've got E14 star bolts on the rear of the shocker, and then E12 for the 3 on top. If you lever down the anti-roll bar in order to remove the drop link, and now the top mount ones, which hopefully won't be as loose as the lower ones. actually not. Probably my least favourite job is doing springs, and might not help that I've got a very small spring compressor, and this strut actually doesn't fit in my cheap little spring compressor, so I'll have to take it to Motec. .21 mil. of washing up liquid on the top mount. So refitting is basically the reversal of removal. Unfortunately, I've got to wait for a new bolt to come from Mercedes to replace the one that's missing. I think it's the other way. So that's pointing to the outside. Heavy. Get the drop link back in. That should lift it all up. I've located the strut at the bottom. Got the two bottom bolts in as well, and then I've dropped the car down onto a block in order to compress the strut enough to get the anti-roll bar link back in. So I just need to tighten everything up now. Dropping it down, located the top mount bolts. Temporary bolt for me, while I wait for the Mercedes bolt to come. Definitely tighten them. Tight, tight, and that's the job done.